Can you introduce yourself?
My good day, Mom and Sir. Have a blessed day to you or your family member. My name is Nervis Mumarapala, 28 years old, from Kabantaran City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. I am married. I have two kids, 10 years old and 12 years old. My highest achievement, high school graduate. My height is 154 centimeter. My weight is 50 kilograms. My I am hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, kind, and friendly, and I love to be the church every weekend.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and two sisters. I am third in my family.
What is your working experience as a housemaid before?
I have 6 years experience here in Philippines. My employer is Korean. I serve four members, including two children, ages 3 years old and 7 years old. My duties are taking care of kids, cooking their foods, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, and cleaning up.
Do you know how to take care baby?
Yes.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will check first the diaper if it's wet. If he never stop crying, I will sing or I will feed milk. And lastly, I will check the temperature.
Do you have a long patience for kids?
Yes,
What will you do if the children is naughty?
I will find me the catch my attention and I will encourage to the count number and reading the book stories.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong and who will take care of your children?
I want to go in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and for my kids' future. My husband will take care of my children.
Describe your positive attitude.
I am disciplined person, honest, hardworking, and I'm easygoing person.
How can you handle your homesick?
I will I will focus my work and I will treat my employers as my own family.
Could you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am. I will sing a short song entitled Johnny Johnny. Johnny Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha.
Are you scared of dog and cats?
No, because in our home I have dog and cats.
Any food that you doesn't eat? Are you allergic to any food?
Any food I eat, I am not allergic to anything.
What food can you cook?
Filipino food, Korean food, and native food.
Can you accept no day off that will be paid by your employer?
Yes,
Can you accept take care elder person and assist older needs?
yes,
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
yes,
Can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No,
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
yes.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employers, please hire me as your helper. I have 6 years experience here in Philippines. My employer is Korean, and I am willing to learn to follow to my employer's instruction. And I promise to release my employer's contract as long my employers need me. I will treat my employers as my own family. Hoping your positive feedback. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.